In this TeamWork 5 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your credentials, things like your qualifications, certifications, and trainings. Before we continue, I should let you know that not everyone is going to have access to their credentials. It depends on whether or not your employer wanted that feature. So if you don't see credentials under Settings, that's why. To get started viewing your credentials, go to the top menu bar and click on Settings. The information page under Settings should come up and your top menu bar should have changed. Go back to your menu and click on Credentials. Now you should be able to see your credentials. You can see the name of your training, qualification, or certification, the code your industry or employer uses, the status, whether it's complete or incomplete, and when your training, certification, or qualification began and expires. If you need to change or adjust any of the information on your credentials page, you'll need to talk to your scheduler or your manager. To view which stations you are able to work at, check out the next video.